Hi everyone, Mark from Go Fast Hobbies and Raceway. Today we're going to talk about headers on a 10 scale sprint car and the placement of them, the different types of headers that we sell at Go Fast Hobbies, also some decals for the engine compartment. So let's get started. So I've got the cage and body off of the sprint car that we use for our sprint car body assembly series. And I've got a bunch of different headers out here. I've got the BRP ones out here, which are a flex header, and it does have a weight puck for the left side. I also have the CDK headers. We carry those as well, which come in chrome and black. They are the same as the GFRP headers. And then I have the Custom Works headers, and then their weight for the header as well. And then they sell a nice decal sheet for the engine compartment if you're not getting your sprint car wrapped, if you want to enhance the look of your sprint car. So we'll go ahead and we'll start here with this. I'm going to use the BRP headers. Open these up and I'll show you how I mount them on the car. Get them out of the bag. See, the reason I'm using them is they flex. They're pretty resilient as far as braking goes, so that's why I use them. These also, the Custom Works ones are nice. They're more of a molded piece. So if you're looking for durability, definitely there. CDK ones are more realistic looking. So just kind of pick what you want and what you like and what you want to see. And so we'll go ahead and we'll pull the screws out here. Right wrench. Really simple how to install these, but we'll go over it. So grab the header here. And then what I like to do on the GFRP bodies, especially, make sure it's mounted above this lip, because this body's a little long. So you'll trim. So depending on how you mount this, like I said in the video, I went over that, how I do it. You'll trim a lot of this off, so for clearance, and then you want to mount the header. Obviously, you mount the header further forward, it puts more weight on the front of the cage if you put the weight in the header. So you kind of got to think about that too, where you want the header at. I normally put it in about right in this area right here, right in there. So, and what I do is hold it down and mark the two holes up here, right on top, and then when you slide it up, it's up where it needs to be. So do the same thing over here on this side. You can measure side to side off the Nerf bar, just depends on how you want to do it. Nothing too fancy here. It's about where that one's at. I can look through there. Right there. Just take your hammer and ring the holes out. Once again, you don't want to over tighten the screws, you just want to snug them up. Over tightening any screw in Lexan can cause it to crack, so just make sure you're not doing that. Try to get it to where you guys can see it, but I don't think that's going to work. Flip it this way. Ooh. Get away from me. Here we go. They're on there. So pretty simple how to put them on. Nothing too drastic there. Hopefully you liked this video. Tune in for more Tech Tip Tuesdays. Reminder, all this stuff's available at gofasthobbies.com. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.